بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Jamil from British Institute, and this channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Look at the story and listen it carefully.
Who is she? What will she have been doing?
But who is a window washer? Today, she is going to be washing window on the 5th floor of a downtown office building. She will have been washing windows for almost 8 hours when she finishes all the windows on the 5th floor. She will be pooped tonight because she will have been working so hard. Although the work is difficult, but who enjoys her job. In April she will have been working as a window washer for 4 years. She will have been washing windows in this city for the past 4 years. The structures of future perfect continuous / progressive tense. Positive form. Subject plus will plus have been plus verb plus ing. Negative form. Subject plus will not plus have been plus verb plus ing. Question form. Will plus subject plus have been plus verb plus ing. We use the future perfect continuous to say how long for an action that continues up to another point in the future. The second point can be a time or another action. Generally, we need for plus length of time, and if we use when or by the time, we usually use the present simple.
In February, I will have been teaching for 15 years. By the time he arrives, I'll have been cooking for hours.
In the same way as with the future perfect simple, we often use the future perfect continuous because we like easy numbers. It's also possible to use the present perfect continuous, but then we get a more complicated number.
I've been working here for 9 months and 2 weeks. On Tuesday, she will have been working here for 2 years. 2. We use the future perfect continuous, like the other perfect continuous tenses, to talk about something that finishes just before another time or action, in this case, in the future. It's often used because there will be a result at the second point in the future. Again, if we use when, we usually need the present simple.
When I see you, I'll have been doing dishes, so I'll be tired.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.